Class, our today's new topic is discount. Class, you heard this word so many times when class you want to buy any object and you can see in that object there is a specific marked price. Suppose I am talking about this pen, rate which is written in this pen is 20 rupees. So this is the marked price. What we call this? Marked price. And suppose class seller or shopkeeper gave you this pen in 15 rupees. Then what is the meaning of that class? He gave you discount of 5 rupees. If I am talking about discount of 5 rupees, so shopkeeper gave you discount of 5 rupees in marked price. So the marked price is 20, 5 rupees discount, then you will take that in 15 rupees. So it's important class, your discount is relate with marked price. Now class, if we are talking about discount in percentage, at that time what is the meaning of that? Suppose if shopkeeper gave you 5% discount if the cost of object is 50 rupees. So this is a marked price. So what is the meaning of 5% discount class? If the marked price is 50, then 5% discount means 5% of 50, and 5% of 50 means class 2 complete 1 by 2. So the shopkeeper at that time will provide you 2.5 rupees discount. Cost of that object is 50 minus 2.50, 47.50. So 5% discount means class you will get that object in 47 rupees 50 paisa. Now class, if I am talking about here, a shopkeeper marks the price of an article at rupees 80, find the selling price if he allows. Now class, you have to find the selling price if he allows discount of 10% and 2 successive discount of 5% each. So first we will discuss on discount of 10%. So class, marked price is 80 and discount is 10%. So I already told you your discount relate with marked price. So discount of 10% means 10% of 80, 10 upon 100 into 80, that is equal to 8. So 8 rupees discount is there. So your selling price is 80 minus 8, that is equal to 72. Now class, it's very important, 2 successive discounts. 2 successive discounts means class, first they gave you 5% discount, then whatever is your selling price, then again they give you the discount. So in this time your marked price is 80, so first discount is 5%. So 5% of 80 is 4 rupees. So the selling price for shopkeeper is 76. It means shopkeeper can sell that object in 76 and you can buy this object in 76. What is the meaning of that class? For seller this is selling price, but for you this is marked price. Understand? So if again shopkeeper gave you 5% discount, then in this time your MP marked price is 76. 5% of 76, 2 successive discount means class again they gave you 5% discount, but in this time for 76. So by solving this you can get 3.80. The selling price for shopkeeper is 76 minus 3.80, the meaning is 72.20. Now question number 4, marked price. You have to find marked price when selling price is this and discount is 1%. So selling price 990, discount is 1%. Let your MP or marked price be X. So discount is, I told you discount always relate with marked price. So 1% of X. So 1% of X means class 1 upon 100 into X, that is equal to X upon 100. This is your discount class. So SP means marked price, then you subtract the discount, then the selling price is there. So that is equal to 99x upon 100. So you all know selling price is given 990 and this is your selling price already. So 99x upon 100 equal to 990, and by solving this you can find the value of x. So mark price is 1000. In this question class, they gave you mark price, they gave you discount, they ask you about selling price. So discount is 30% of 240, that is 72 rupees. So mark price is 240, discount is 72, so your selling price is, by subtracting it you will get. Now class, question number 8. A table quoted at rupees 2400 in a wholesaler's catalog, but the retailer only pays rupees 2000. Express the trade discount allowed as a percentage. It means they gave you selling price, they gave you mark price, and they ask you about percentage, discount percentage. So now class, they gave you mark price, they gave you selling price, so definitely discount is 400 rupees. In rupees this is your discount, but you have to calculate this in the form of percentage. So let the discount be x percentage. So x percentage of MP class, x percentage of mark price is x upon 100 into 24, 00, 24x. But class, you all know your discount is already given here, 400. So 24x is equal to x percentage of MP is equal to 400. It means your discount is x percentage of mark price, which is equal to 400. So by solving this you can get 24x, that is equal to 400. So x is equal to, by solving this you can find the answer 16 complete 2 upon 3 percentage.